Maintaining your Everblend fire table is a simple process that will leave your table looking great for years to come. Everblend is more durable than concrete, but has half the weight of traditional concrete. This premium finish is handcrafted and each one is truly one of a kind. To help preserve the finish, we recommend using a breathable protective cover in the off-season, or when the fire pit table will not be used for long periods of time. These are available at outdoorrooms.com. To maintain the look of your Everblend fire pit table, you will need to reseal the table annually when not using a protective cover, or every 2 years when using a protective cover. To reseal the Everblend, you will need the following materials: a concrete sealer. We recommend H&C ClaraShield water-based natural look concrete sealer. Soapy water, sponge or soft bristle plastic brush, a roller pan, a sponge roller, and a small sponge applicator. First, wash down the Havenwood top with warm soapy water using a sponge or a soft bristle plastic brush to remove any dirt buildup. Be careful not to rub too hard so as to not damage the color. Rinse thoroughly and let completely dry for 2 hours. Using the sponge roller, apply a thin, even coat of sealer, covering the Everblend surface with long, even strokes. The sealer will dry fast, so work quick to remove any excess buildup from the roller. Use a sponge applicator to wipe up or even out any drips. Allow 2 to 4 hours for the sealer to dry. While Everblend is stronger than concrete, accidents can happen. The Outdoor Great Room Company supplies a touch-up kit for your fire table to repair any dings or scratches on the Everblend surface. Shake the bottle of colorant for 1 minute, brush on the colorant over the area that needs to be touched up, and wipe up any extra colorant. Allow the colorant to dry and add concrete sealer over the area. Following these instructions will leave your fire pit looking like new.